So hello guys, so the topic today is about the power of tangent and cotangent. So this topic is under to the integral calculus. So guys, case 3 na tayo. Yung case 1 natin, yun yung add yung m at n. Yun yung case 1. So case 2 natin is even yung m and n. Gets guys, sa first video natin yun. Hindi ko lang nalagyan ng case number. So from this one, case number 3 na tayo. The power of tangent and cotangent. So ito yung mga formula natin gagamitin. So this from the Pythagorean theorem, and this from the integral, and this is from the differential. Gets guys? So let's proceed for the first problem. So the tangent raised to 4x dx. So first, the integral of tangent squared of x, tangent squared of x dx, parang hinati ko lang kasi pag pinag-times yan dalawa, magiging 4 ang exponent niya. So same pa rin siya dito. Gets? So next, from the Pythagorean identities, what is the tan squared x is equals to what? Let's say that 1 plus this is equals to tangent of squared of x is equals to secant squared of x minus 1. Gets guys? So yan yung value niya from the Pythagorean identities. Kumbaga eto guys, nilipat ko lang yung 1. Then yung nakuha ko, yung value ng tangent. Gets guys? So next is that palitan na natin siya ng secant squared of x minus 1 and tangent squared of x dx. Gets guys? So the next natin gagawin guys is that the integral of secant squared x. So bali dito niyan siya guys ha. And tangent squared of x dx. So in-integrate ko na sila ng 1 by 1. Gets guys? So next natin gagawin is that yung u natin dito is pwede natin gamitin yung what? Yung tangent. Pwede natin siyang gawing u. Kasi pag dinerivative natin yung tangents, makukuha natin ang secant squared. Gets guys? So bago natin derivative guys, kunin muna natin sa kabila. So eto, pag nilet u natin tong tangent, wala siyang makukuhang value ng du. So ang gagawin natin is that expand pa natin siya. So secant squared of x tangent squared of x dx minus the integral of what is the value of tangent squared x is equals to what? Secant squared x minus 1. So from the Pythagorean identities, ito yun. The next guys is integrate them 1 by 1. Integrate sila 1 by 1. So in-integrate ko lang, parang distribute ko lang integral sign. Gets? Next is that the integral of what is the integral of what is the value of u muna pala? U is equals to what? The value of u is 1 tangent of x du secant squared of dx. So ito yun. And this will be represented as du. Gets guys? So sa kabila, we all know na ang integral ng secant squared x is what? Tangent of x, di ba? And this is equals to x. So game. U squared, yun yung tangent. Then the secant squared, eto yun. Eto, yung kasama lang sa bilog yan ay value niya is what? Du. So ito yun. Yung du. Gets? minus the integral of secant squared of x dx minus the integral of dx. So from the power formula, this will be u3 all over 3 minus the integral of secant squared is tangent of x minus x plus c. Next, what is the value for the u is tangent. Of x, then copy this one. Gets, guys? So, yun na yung value na 10 for that kind of problem. Gets? So, wait. Bago natin i-end yung first problem, guys. As you can see, guys, na may negative sign dito. Etong negative, pag in-integrate na natin sila ng 1 by 1, yung negative malilipat siya dito, so magiging positive na to. Positive, 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 and positive, guys. Gets? So, yun yung hindi natin napansin kanina, pero agad natin total nakita naman natin bago natin i-end yung first problem. So, this will be the final answer, guys. Gets? So, ulit sa mga nagtataka, bakit naging positive? Kasi, buray natin, no? Oops. Is that, meron siyang so, in-integrate ko siya ng 1 by 1. Ito yun. Ito yung integral sign na yan. Yung negative is masasama sa integral, kaya nalilipat siya 1 by 1 sa secant squared tsaka sa negative 1. So, negative multiply sa negative 1, ito yung negative 1, this will be equals to positive 1. So, kaya naging positive na siya, guys. Gets? So, this will be our final answer. Gets? Next, guys. So, for the next problem is the integral cotangent raised to 4x dx. So, first, hatiin muna natin sila. Gawin natin 2 yung sa kabila, then yung sa kabila is 210. Kasi pag pinag-multiply natin yan, ang magiging sagot is cotangent raised to 4x dx. From the loss of exponent, pag multiplication, the exponent will add. So, next. This is equals to what? Cosecant of squared x minus 1. Saan galing yan? From the Pythagorean identity. So, etong negative 1, ay positive 1, lipat natin, magiging siyang negative. So, the value of cotangent squared x equals to cosecant squared x minus 1. Pythagorean identities lang yan. So, copy. Then next is that the value of the cotangent squared x is distribute lang natin sa loob. So, dinidistribute ko lang siya, guys, ha. Ganito lang. Gets? Then, in-integral ko na sila ng 1 by 1 din. O, next. So, the value of our u here is cotangent x. Kasi, kapag dinerivative natin atong cotangent x, makukuha natin to. Gets, guys? Kapag ang u naman natin, ito, yung cosecant, pag dinerivative natin yung cosecant, makukuha is negative cosecant x, cotangent of x. So, wala siyang value na makukuha for the u. Gets, guys? So, the derivative of this is equals to negative cosecant squared x dx. Gets? Next is that the integral of cotangent of squared x and cosecant squared x dx minus, kinapi ko muna, guys, kasi bago natin integral sila lahat, sabay-sabay na natin, no? So, ito, 1 plus cotangent squared x equals to what? From the Pythagorean identities. Ganyan siya, di ba? So, lipat lang natin yung may positive 1. So, cosecant squared x minus 1. This will be the value of cotangent squared x. dx. Gets, guys? So, the cotangent squared x, cosecant squared x, dx minus the integral of cosecant squared x, dx minus, so positive na yan, guys, dx. Pag in-integrate na natin ng 1 by 1, yung negative sign, madidistribute din. Gets? Next, so dito na natin gamitin yung u natin ginamit kanina, which is yung u natin dito, rewrite ko lang cotangent x. Yung derivative nito is negative cosecant squared of x dx, while the value of dx is equals to what? So, dx is equals to du over negative cosecant squared of x. So, gets, guys? O, next tayo. The integral of u squared. The u squared is for the cotangent, and this value is equals to what? Du over negative cosecant squared x. And this, the cosecant squared x, we all know that the integral of that, guys. So, mamaya na natin siya integrate. So, cancel, cancel. Ang naiwan is negative. So, ilabas na natin yung negative. Gets, so minus the integral of cosecant squared of x dx plus the integral of dx. Gets, so squared yun. O, next natin. From the power formula, the u squared is equals to negative u cubed. Then, yung u exponent magiging denominator din. Minus the integral of cosecant squared x is equals to what? Negative cotangent. Plus x plus c. So, what is the value of u? Cotangent. Negative cotangent of cube of x over 3 plus, bakit plus? Negative times negative, positive plus x plus c. Gets, guys? So, this will be our final answer for that problem. Gets? So, that's all, guys, for the case number 3, the power of tangent and cotangent. So, yun yung mga kailangan formula na kailangan kabisaduhin. So, ito yung mga yun, guys. Gets? So, thank you for watching. Goodbye.